Look guys, we got a little package in the mail. The nice people at Rosefray sent me some oven mitts to take a look at. I was really interested because the picture, they looked adorable and I wanted to check them out. So let's open this little package and see what we got from Rosefray. So before we open the package up, I just wanted to thank Rosefray for sending this for us to take a look at it. You guys know how I love kitchen gadgets. I mean, kitchen gadgets are basically my entire life, and anything for the kitchen for that matter. And sometimes I really like to go back to the basics because we can get all these fancy tools, but there's some things that we absolutely need in the kitchen to help us, and oven mitts is one of those things. We sometimes take them for granted because we say, oh, just grab anything to take something off of the stove. But one of the things is when you start really getting into your cooking, you might be searing something on the stove, putting it into the oven. And one of the things that happened to me one time is I seared a piece of chicken, right? And then I put it into the oven, and I had it in the oven maybe for 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, I had totally forgot, you know, that it was just a raw cast iron pan. Because I'm used to maybe having things on the stove that, you know, have a plastic handle or something so they don't get so daggone hot. Well, I reached my hand in that oven not even thinking, and I grabbed that sucker and I just burnt the heck out of my hand. And I mean, that's a rookie move, but that can happen even to the best cooks. We take advantage of some of our basic tools, and we need to sort of come back to that and review our arsenal to make sure we have everything we need. And you know, oven mitts are right at the dead center of that. So let's get these babies open. Look at it smiling at me. Let's get this baby open. I really like the picture of these. Sweet! I like the picture of them when I saw them on Amazon. Wow, she sent me 2 pairs. These are, look at this, aren't they neat? I really, really like the color of them. With the stars. Love them. There's 2 pair in here. Nice, thank you. Look at these. Wow, these are really, really nice. So, let's go and put them on. Nice. You know what I like about them already is they go up your arm like this a little bit. When you put your arms in the oven, this can get hot or on the grill. So these are sweet. Let me put this one on. Wow, they are very thick and comfortable. The inside has this material, and it has, see these stars? They're made out of silicone, so stuff won't slip. Sweet, these are awesome. I love them. Look at them. They're pretty inexpensive too, and you get a pair. Awesome. The stitching is really nice. These are really, really nice. Nice high quality little thing to hang them from. Sweet. I love them. So we're going to put these to the test. I'm getting ready to make some cookies. We're going to take them out with our Rosefray gloves here, and we'll see how they perform. I can already tell you it's nice because when you go like this, it's like non-slip. See that? They don't slip around and they don't play around, right? I like them. So we'll make our cookies, we'll get them in the oven, and we'll try them out. So we made some peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to take these out of the oven. I'm going to put on my gloves here, and we're going to see how they do. Sweet, they feel really nice. I like the fact that they have the fingers. So let's get these out of the oven. Nice. Ooh, and Eric made these cookies. Well, he formed them. One thing I can say is I didn't feel a lot of heat there. These are really hot pans. And
they're heavy.
Yeah, they're really heavy, and I only feel like a little warmth. And look at how long I've been holding. These have been in the 375 oven. And I feel a little warmth, but wow, right? A lot of times when you have gloves, when you hold on to something for any length of time, you actually even start feeling burnt. Even when I have like silicone gloves on, you can use silicone gloves and hold this like this, and it really starts to get really hot. This is only like warm. These are awesome, right? I give these Rosefray gloves, I give these bad boys my 2 thumbs up, right? These are cool. If you'd like to take a look at these, I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon page. You can take a look at these gloves for yourself. But to me, they're pretty cool. I like them. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.